In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine images and make stunning art in Adobe Firefly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You're looking for the official Adobe Firefly site, which will usually appear at the top of the results. Click through to the site. If you're asked to sign in, use your Adobe account. This simply unlocks the tools we're about to use. Once you're on the Firefly homepage, look for the image generation tools. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click the More button to reveal additional features. We want the section where you can generate an image and work with reference uploads. This is where Firefly can take what you provide and intelligently blend it into a unified artwork. Next, upload the first image. Think of this as one of the two anchors for your composition. Choose a clear, high-quality photo with a strong subject or texture. Clean edges, good contrast, and a solid silhouette tend to blend better. If your image has a busy background, consider cropping it beforehand so the subject reads more clearly. Also, use assets you have permission to work with. After that, upload the second image. This is the companion source that Firefly will use to complement the first. Pick something that adds a distinct element, maybe a portrait paired with a cityscape or a figure combined with nature's textures. Try to match lighting direction and overall tone. The closer these are, the more seamless the fusion will look. If needed, rotate or crop so key details land where you want them. Now it's time to guide the blend with a well-phrased prompt. You can write something like a cinematic double exposure portrait of a man and a woman facing opposite directions, the woman looking left and the man looking right, symbolizing contrast and connection. This kind of prompt gives Firefly a clear composition, mood, and symbolism to aim for. Feel free to add stylistic cues such as dramatic lighting, soft grain, or muted colors, and specify the vibe you want, like elegant, moody, or modern. When you're ready, click Generate. Firefly will process your images and prompt to create a set of variations. Give it a moment, review the results, and notice how the subjects, tones, and textures carry through from both images. If the first pass isn't quite there, refine the wording, adjust emphasis, or swap in images with stronger contrast or simpler shapes. That's the basic flow. Find Firefly, open the image generator, upload your two sources, write a clear, descriptive prompt, and generate stunning combined art.